What's going on, y'all? JT with a quick unboxing. I'm gonna try to make it as quick as I can because I do want to go ahead and get this set up of the Hobao VTE 2. Now this is a 7 scale on-road roller. It doesn't come with tires and wheels and a body, so you have to get your own tires for it and a body, but that's no problem. In electronics, I do have some of that, and I do got a couple of bodies right here on the side we'll take a look at after we unbox this. But you can get yours from Tiny Adventures RC. There's going to be a link down below in the description. They got a couple more in stock if you guys want to go over there and purchase one, and of course they'll probably be out, so if you want to get one, go over there and get one soon. So anyway, let me go ahead and let me get this box open. Let's see what we got inside. All right, pulling this out, this is really well packaged. I'm so glad that the shocks and stuff already come put together because I hate putting shocks together on a car. But let me go ahead, let's get this out in its entirety and let's kind of see what we got up in here. All right, guys, pulling this out, this is actually built very, very, very good. I like a lot. I will probably go a little bit more in depth once I get the electronics and stuff installed in here. But this thing looks awesome. Look, it's gonna really perform good. Show you guys, let me go ahead and shed some light with this. There we go, a little bit better. Look at this. That looks beefy and strong. Now these are actually you can actually remove these. I've seen, I think a video or two of people have this out there. They actually don't even use these casings, they just use the Velcro strap. So you can actually remove this plastic battery housing case and just use the Velcro straps in case you have longer batteries, because these look like the same trays that they use on their 7 scale monster truck, which is fine. But I think that with the batteries I'm going to use, I got some brand new ones I'm actually going to use for this. Matter of fact, let me show them to you guys real quick. All right, so I got these batteries from RC Hackers, and I'll put a link down below in the description. You can get 2 of these. They're ADC 5200 milliamps for 54 bucks. And you guys see that these are more, there's more than enough room to actually fit these up in there once I put these in there. But I did want to kind of run this with some new batteries. I probably won't run it with a new body because I have a couple bodies over I want to show to you guys. But this thing looks nice. So real quick, like I said, I'm not going to try to make this a very long unboxing. But you do get, I know that light's probably killing it a little bit. Let me turn this off until we get a closer look at the vehicle. So we do get some body posts for the rear, and then the ones on the front are already installed. They're not, oh, they are adjustable. Okay. They are adjustable on the front, so that's good. So I can actually fit one of my other bodies in here, which we'll look at in just a minute with this. But look at how beefy these, look at this shock tower, the front and the rear. What I'm tripping off of is this drive line. I believe that's a 34 tooth, go ahead and shed some more light right there. A 34 tooth spool in there. Which I think I saw in another video, the smallest pinion gear you can fit is a 22 pinion gear, but I'll get one and put one in there. But that's going to be good. I'm going to set it up with the basic system. I have a brand new Max 6 ESC that I'm going to use up in here, and I got a couple of servers. I think I got one of my Power Hobby servers I'm going to put in here to use as well. But flip this around real quick, put this right here. I love the way they got this set up in here. So everything is kind of closer together, so I can mount my ESC right here, my motor there, and I can either loop my wires right here over top of it. Servos there, and look at this receiver box. There's actually a big receiver box for it too. And like I said, I probably won't run it with these battery trays on there. I might, because you guys see underneath the chassis too, you actually have straps where you can strap those Velcro straps in. So they did think about that with larger batteries, which is good. That's going to be real good. So, and I believe this is a 25 tooth spleen for this servo horn right here. So that's going to be good. But look how beefy this thing is, guys. This is, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I am. Like I said, I'm just kind of doing a quick overview of this vehicle, but you guys see sway bars in the front and then also in the rear, and the hinge pins is aluminum. But I am just really tripping off of this. That is not going to break anytime soon. So I'm pretty sure at some point in time they'll have some options, center diff stuff you can put up in there. But this was kind of built for speed, but it's going to be interesting to see how this runs just in general too. I'm going to probably go with a 2200 kV motor just to kind of get him running to see how he goes. And then of course I'll put larger motors in there, and you guys see that there's plenty of room for some of the larger TP motors and stuff you can put up in here. And then I do believe I saw somewhere they do make for mounting your motor on there. They do have a bigger motor mount too, so you can mount larger motors in there. So that's going to be some stuff we explore a little bit in the future after we get this running and get this set up. But I do have to say that this is impressive. I mean, it really, really is. What other things do I need to go over? There's not too much more I'm going to go over, really, because you don't get tires and wheels, which I have some. I'm going to put some temporary ones on there now. I probably got some Power Hobby Beast tires and wheels that I'll put on there. But bodies, that's what I wanted to do. So what I have here is two bodies. One, I have my felony body right here. And I did leave on one side, the side guards on the other side. I did take them off, but that's not going to fit on this chassis with those side guards on there. So let me turn this around real quick, because this is the main reason why I also kind of wanted to show this and unbox this for you guys. I wanted to show you guys the bodies. And then I also have my Pro Line Corvette body, this is the body I'm more or less probably going to run on here. So let me get my stand real quick and let's set this up and see how these bodies fit on here. All right, so I got my Team Corrali car stand that I'm using down here to keep this up. But I'm probably more or less going to use this Corvette body on here. Mount that in the rear and kind of set that up somewhat. But I may also use the felony body. I'm not sure. You guys put in the comments below. I did kind of flip this body when I had it on my felony. It does have some scrape marks and stuff on it. But I'll probably end up using this one for the first run. But I just wanted to show this on here. Mounted on here. Of course, it's not completely mounted. I got to adjust the body mounts for it, but I'm going to put the felony body on here too, so you guys can see that. All right, so there it is with the felony body on there, and it's definitely doable, guys. I mean, either or. You do have to take off those kind of side pieces that Arma has on there, which is on this other side, because if you leave those on there, even if you mount the body, let's say kind of like this, they're gonna intervene or interfere with actually you mounting the body on there properly. And I'm looking at this foam bumper. It shouldn't be too much of a problem. It may sit kind of high for some people, so it's gonna catch a lot of air. So for a speed car, it probably wouldn't be the best body to use, because you're gonna get a lot of air catching into this body, and of course it's gonna lift the car up. But so I'll probably go with my C8 body that I have first for this, if I don't knock all this stuff over trying to show this to you guys. But this thing is impressive. It really, really is. I want to get the electronics in it and then do kind of an overview of this vehicle after I get everything installed and get some tires and wheels on it. And I'm probably going to do this very shortly, because I do at least want to do a test run of this. I don't believe they give you a pinion gear in here. No, they don't. They don't give you a pinion gear in your bag of goodies, but they do give you tools and stuff, which is good with it. But no pinion gear in here, so I'll have to go through the instructions to see what they recommend. I'm probably going to do the 2200 with probably about 22 to about 25 to pinion gear. We'll see what I kind of got over here in my stack of stuff and get this out for some test runs. But this is an impressive vehicle, guys. This really is impressive. So the competition is getting fierce. There's some 7-scale cars out here now. Hobao's got theirs, so I'm pretty sure Team Corrali at some point is going to create theirs too. So then we'll have, even more selection for it. So we have this from Hobao. Then we got the Arma's got 3 cars, and then Traxxas has got their 1 with this. And I think there's another 1 or 2. The one from Banggood, what's that? The one that looks like the Ken Block. I can't think of it right now. The EXO7 or whatever on-road car. So we got several different options out here with this, but I think that this is going to be a good performer. So anyway, guys, like I said, this is going to be a quick unboxing and look at this. Put your comments down below what you think about this. Like I said, Tiny Adventures does have a few of these in stock, so if you're interested in getting one, I would go right over to their site and go ahead and order one. And I'll reach out to Jeff at RC Speed Monsters. I do believe he's got a couple of parts and stuff for these, like wheelie bars and stuff like that, but I'll let you guys know in the coming future. But stay tuned for some running videos of this coming up in the next couple of days. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.